Aloha! Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to be making island-style breakfast quiche. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Spray a standard pie pan or 9-inch square pan generously with cooking spray and fit pie crust evenly into the pan. It helps to put the pan on top of a cookie sheet or rimmed pan. In a medium bowl, beat eggs, then add milk, melted butter, pancake mix, and Parmesan cheese. Mix thoroughly. Fold in the fillings, greens, tomato, jalapeno, and Portuguese sausage. Pour mixture into the pie crust. Top with shredded cheese and bake for 50 minutes. Oven temperatures vary. If the top is browning too fast, cover loosely with a piece of foil. Remove from the oven and let rest for 15 minutes before enjoying. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.